My
Hello.
name is Dina. Hello.
Hello. Dina.
Hello.
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 So tell us
My name is Dina.
about yourself.
My name is Dina. I'm from Russia, from Ufa State Technical University. I'm a researcher, so I have joined to your stream, as it may be called, in order to improve my English, because next autumn I'm going to read lectures in English. At present, I have some papers that were published abroad in English. I'm writing in English because I'm scientist, so I am writing in English. I have some papers abroad. So in order to improve my communication skills, I have joined to this. How is it called? TED? Voxtel? I don't remember.
Webtalk.
Webtalk, yes. Webtalk, yes.
Fantastic.
It's brief information.
Congratulations.
It's brief information. Thank you. I have near intermediate level, maybe a bit upper intermediate level.
Oh,
but I should
doesn't matter
it.
What level you have. Actually, everybody not asking about your level, and so if you are here, you have all rights to talk, to express yourself. Make your own chats, please, and attract people and help them. Also help them, please, to improve their English, because he is not only people who is able to express themselves, and also beginners, and so they are very interested to talk. Maybe you will have not many time, but even one chat per month, it would be very great.
It would be great, yes. Thank you very much. I'm very grateful for your inviting me to this chat. So I will use it in future, I think. Thank you very much.
And Dina, you talked
You're
about
welcome.
you talked about the level of the English. Okay.
Yes.
You know how we measure your English?
I don't know, maybe. Okay.
Okay, let me tell you this. If you want to talk about something, if you can make me understand about that subject, I would say your English is advanced, or you are in the high level, because you can speak up in that language that you want to share about. You want to talk about something that you love, and you can make me understand, and that's a good English. You're not intermediate. We don't call ourselves intermediate or beginner or something like that. We just talk, what our mind tells us. And when you use the right tool to express that thing, okay, everyone is saying that, oh, your English is good. They don't say your English is intermediate. They don't say your level is lower than average. They just say, okay, I like your idea. That's good.
Yes, thank you very much. Thanks for supporting. It's very inspiring. It's very how can it be called in English?
Yeah.
Inspiring, yes. Inspiring. I'm shy and sometimes because it is the first chat, and I know grammar, but sometimes when I am speaking, you can't keep all grammar rules. So I think that there were some mistakes in my.
But Dina, you're doing very well. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
It's all right, my friend. If some people, they know all grammars. I mean, the structures of the sentence, how they form the sentence. But still, when they come to speaking, they're making horrible.
It's all flipped in your mind.
Yeah, yeah, just pile up in our minds. But if you don't express, so you're going to blow up.
Thank you. Yes.
We need to bear our soul acts.
Thank you. I understand.
Dina,
I realize.
Dina, I have a
Yes,
question for you. Tell us, how did you learn English before Webtalk? Yeah.
Well, as many people in childhood, I attended school where I attended English lessons as well. Well, at university, I enrolled on a course, English course, and it's called interpreter in professional communication. But I'm not linguist. I'm just. It was something like application to your essential specialization. So I'm economist, and I learned English relating to economy. After that, I have been studying about 3 years. Yes, 3 years. After that, I gained my diploma, and this diploma was put on the shelf, and I forgot about it. But my life encouraged me, railroaded me into English path at work when I decided to write my scientific papers in English, because when you are writing in English, you can publish your articles abroad, and other scientists may comment or share with you some ideas. So now, every day, I try listen to podcasts on BBC Learning English. They're exciting podcast, 6 minutes vocabulary. In addition, I study grammar by Morphy in application on my smartphone. Yes, and because grammar is essential when you are writing. In academic writing, the grammar is essential. It's a key item. So, what else? Sometimes I watch movies, but in my English, the main focus or main shift is put it on grammar. So I have discovered Gordon Krylova. It's grammar for linguists. It is the best book that I ever read, because it is written in English and it's really insightful. It's for academic writers, it looks like an essential book.
Thank you very much.
So
I hope you will help me. You will share with your writing experience, and actually, I wanna admit that my writing is very poor.
Writing.
Quite
Maybe
often,
you don't need writing.
I don't know. Very often I use translated to make post. That's funny.
I have been writing about 2 years. And now my contacts, my articles really better, because it's all about improvement, maybe.
So, okay. Do you publish your article in a website? I don't know, magazine. Where do you publish?
Okay, I'll answer. I publish my article in scientific journals. No, it is not a daily news or maybe daily journals. Maybe no, it's only scientific journals. because I'm scientist, I'm researcher.
Do you have?
I'm researcher. Yes.
Do you have
Good. That's
scientific
good.
degrees?
Because
You're welcome.
Yeah. Beston.
I'm listening to you. Please
okay.
keep on speaking.
Okay. Okay. On Webtalk, that's great if you share, if you publish your article in a scientific, journal, wherever you want to publish. You can share the link in Webtalk, and you ask your followers to go to Webtalk, to go to that link and read about what you just shared. Because in the communication and interaction in Webtalk, when you have followers, they like your content and they like your post, they comment on your post. Erdi, what will happen?
Yeah. Oh.
What will happen?
You will earn money.
No, it's another case because my article is for special audience, maybe. It's very specialized, so I don't.
Dina, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Sometimes, maybe I am not a scientific, let's say, student, but still I want to read about this. I want to read what you just shared. So I will click on the link, and then after I read, the article, I'll come back to your post and write comments, write my thoughts about your ideas, your thoughts on that, or maybe I want to share something else, or maybe I just say beautiful writing, something like that, just positive energy. I will just give you that. So that will help you to earn points, to get points on Webtalk, and you get points, you accumulate points on Webtalk, and those points will grow and grow, and you will start earning money.
Earning money? What about earning money by web link?
Beston, actually, I didn't tell about revenue to Dina.
Okay.
Yes, I was not told.
Okay. For now, you can earn money on Webtalk if you're passionate about getting money. If you're passionate, if you want to make money, you can earn money. Okay, one by adding people who just go pro, and you get you get 10% of the revenue. Okay. But the second one is by ad rewards pool. For example, you create a content, and people interact in your post, in your content. Okay, for example, I like your post. One like in Webtalk is 10 points. One like. One comment is 20 points. One comment. And one share is 30 points. That means if you get 10 like, that means 100 points. You know what I'm saying? For each like, 10. For each comment, 20. For each share, 30. Okay, this is about your content. What about if you invite people with your link, with your referral link to Webtalk? If you invite your friend, let's say you have a friend, and you invite her to Webtalk, and your friend is going to create a post on Webtalk, and she gets likes, she gets comments, she gets shares. It doesn't matter how many, you're going to get the matching points. Whatever she gets, you're going to get without decreasing you know, the number of her points, you're going to get the same amount because you invited that person into Webtalk.
It's rather
You understand?
tricky.
He is kind of pyramid. How to say?
No, it's not. It's not pyramidic.
Yeah.
It's like 5 levels. You know, just go.
Yeah.
5
Do you
levels.
know about MLM? MLM.
Yeah, but it's not MLM.
Yeah.
It's not like
But
you know, the other MLMs.
Other MLM, but it is just Facebook earn money a lot. Mark Zuckerberg is one of the richest men in the world, but he don't give money anyone. But RJ, CEO of Webtalk, goes another way, and he share 50% of revenue of
let me tell you about that.
With,
let me tell you about that. Let me tell you about that. Okay.
Go
For
on.
example, this month, it's predicted that Webtalk is going to earn 4,000 from advertisement. Okay. And Webtalk the system put $2,000, the half of the money, the half of the 4,000. Put 2,000 into a pool, and the members in Webtalk, they are you know, posting, they are creating content in order to get you know, let's say a portion of that money, whether it's a cent, $1, $10, whatever. Based on your activities on Webtalk, you're going to get something.
I see. Thank you very much. Unfortunately, my little daughter has awoken, so I have to go. Thank you very much for conversation.
We will talk.
Thanks for
we
you
will talk
too.
very soon. We'll talk very soon.
Yeah, of course. We
will talk very soon.
Yes, of course. So I am against the clock.
Okay.
And
thank you very much.
If you just came up with any question, just pop it in. Okay.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Okay,
Have a nice day.
Goodbye.